In this video I'm going to show you how to do the unboxing and a complete setup of your Canon Imageclass LBP122dw laser printer. This is a laser printer, it only prints in the black color and we use the cartridge 071. It can print 30 black pages per minute. So let's check what we get inside the box. Power cable, manual, and that's our printer. So it comes with the pre-installed ink toner. First step is to remove the tape and then we will also activate the toner. Lift it up. Now just pull this out. It will activate the toner. Remove all the tapes. Make sure you remove each and every tape, otherwise the printer won't work. The tape is quite strong. While removing the tape, if this part becomes movable, then we have to fix it, otherwise this will not close. Now to fix it, just move it up, and in the end you will see there is a place to place it in. So push it in little bit, also from the other side here, from both sides. Now it goes into the proper position and just press it down. It will close properly. Next step is to connect the power cable. Power cable goes at the back of the printer. Plug in here. Now open the front chamber so that we can load the paper. Remove all the protective tape from this side. Adjust the size. So pull this lever to one side and move it to here. You can also extend it. Load letter size or A4 size paper. Place it here. Adjust the size. Adjust it from here. Start the setup process. Press the power button. So let the ink toner activate itself. Wait for the printer to stop this sound. Toner is activated. First we have to select the language and press OK on the control panel. Confirm with this button and press OK. Select country of residence. Select the time. You can also select the date and time properly. It will ask you, do you want to use a remote UI? So not right now. Click no. Next step, it will ask you to use wireless LAN to connect to network. Yes, we want to connect it with the Wi-Fi. Wait for the printer to search the available Wi-Fi network. It will give you the list of Wi-Fi. You have to select your Wi-Fi network and press OK. From this panel, we can enter the password of the printer. To enter the password, you need upper letters, lowercase, and the digits and special characters. Go to the switch entry mode. Select uppercase, lowercase, or numbers and symbol. So right now I just need the letters and numbers uppercase. And scroll down. The numbers are displayed here. For special characters we have to go up. Switch entry mode. Go to symbol. @. Now again, to change switch entry mode, lowercase numbers. Once you are ready, click on the apply and select new settings, yes. it will ask you if you want to sign up for the ink toner or something, so click no. Scroll down, press OK. It says ready to print. Remove this tape and you will see there are two options. One is for the LAN and second is just for the USB. So right now I'm just going to use the LAN first. I'll show you how. For the LAN you just have to plug in the wire. So that goes here. Click yes. Select your network. Click yes. So it will ask you if you want to sign up for the ink toner or something, so click no. Scroll down, press OK. Click on the close. It says ready to print. Next is to add it in a smartphone for printing. Click on the Canon print. That's the app we need to download. To add the printer, click on the add switch. Select register printer. Select LBP122dw. Press OK and you will see your printer. So let's do a print test. Select a document, for example this one. Click next. Click on the print. So that's the print result. Paper output is here. So that's the setup of the printer. Wake up the screen and then go to the menu. Go to the preference. Select the option display timing. Select custom. Settings applied. Hopefully the screen won't go off quickly. Thanks for watching.